Most people chase apps, crypto, and trends and wonder why they stay broke. Meanwhile, factories that sell boring products quietly print money every single day. Diapers, detergent, toilet paper, packaging. No hype, no virality, just demand that never stops. That quiet daily demand is what builds real factories and real wealth. In this video, I'll break down 9 small home-scale factories that produce items people must buy in good economies, bad economies, and recessions. I'll show you how the machines work, what they really cost, and the kind of monthly profit that doesn't depend on views, followers, or luck. Of the few factories where branding can multiply margins without changing the machine. Watch till the end, because number 3 is one of the few factories where branding can multiply margins without changing the machine. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 9. Perfume Filling and Packaging Factory. People buy perfume every day. Not just luxury brands, but small boutique labels and local stores. This factory exists because businesses want custom scents without building a full lab. The machine blends pre-approved fragrance oils with cosmetic-grade solvents, filters the liquid, then fills, crimps, labels, and packs bottles. It works in a clean room with good airflow, keeping quality consistent. A small semi-automatic setup usually costs around $18,000 to $35,000. The production cost per bottle stays near $1 to $2, while the selling price ranges from $6 to $15 depending on branding. With private label orders, a realistic monthly profit can reach $4,000 to $10,000. This factory only works if you can sell and manage clients. If you expect passive income or hate dealing with branding decisions, this business will expose you fast. And if you think the last numbers were strong, the next factory serves cities so consistently that demand barely changes during recessions. Number 8. Baby Diapers Manufacturing. Diapers are a daily essential, demand never pauses, and parents cannot delay buying them. This factory works because every newborn uses multiple diapers every single day. The machine layers non-woven fabric, absorbent pulp, SAP, elastic bands, and fasteners into one continuous line. It cuts, shapes, and packs diapers automatically, keeping each piece uniform. A compact diaper line typically costs $45,000 to $80,000, depending on speed. The production cost stays around 12 cents to 18 cents per diaper, while the selling price ranges from 25 cents to 40 cents. With local distribution, monthly profit can reach $8,000 to $20,000. This business rewards operators who obsess over quality and consistency. Any shortcuts in materials or sealing will destroy trust immediately and cost you contracts. Number 7. Toilet Paper Factory. Toilet paper is used in homes, offices, hotels, and schools every single day. No trends, no seasons, just constant demand. This factory takes jumbo parent tissue rolls and rewinds them into smaller rolls, embosses patterns, cuts them to size, and packs them automatically. The process is fast, clean, and easy to scale. A small production line usually costs $22,000 to $40,000. The production cost per roll stays near 20 cents to 30 cents, while the selling price ranges from 60 cents to $1 depending on ply and packaging. A modest operation can generate $5,000 to $12,000 monthly profit. This factory works best for operators who can compete on efficiency. Margins improve with volume, not hype, and sloppy logistics will erase profits quickly. Before we continue, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 6. Paper Cup Factory. Paper cups are now everywhere because cafes, juice shops, food stalls, and events need disposable cups every day. With plastic being phased out, demand keeps rising. This factory uses a paper cup forming machine that shapes coated paper into cups using heat and pressure. The machine rolls printed paper into a cylinder, seals the side, attaches the bottom disc, and curls the rim for safe drinking. Everything runs in a smooth flow, with quality checks for leaks and sealing. A small paper cup machine typically costs $18,000 to $35,000 depending on size and speed. The production cost per cup stays close to 3 cents to 5 cents, while the selling price usually falls between 8 cents and 15 cents. With repeat orders from local businesses, monthly profit can reach $5,000 to $10,000. This business favors operators who can handle fast delivery, consistent quality, and rising raw material costs. Late orders or weak sealing will push customers to competitors immediately. Number 5. Potato Chips Factory. Potato chips are a comfort snack people reach for at any time during travel, school breaks, office hours, and social gatherings. Demand stays strong because people snack regardless of trends or economic conditions. This factory runs on a continuous flow line that turns raw potatoes into finished packs. The process starts with washing and peeling, then slicing potatoes evenly so they fry at the same speed. After dewatering, slices enter a temperature-controlled fryer to keep color and crunch consistent. Warm chips move into a seasoning drum, then cool before nitrogen-packed sealing for freshness. A small setup usually costs $28,000 to $55,000. The cost to produce one packet is around 25 cents to 40 cents, while the selling price ranges from 80 cents to $1.50. With steady outlets, monthly profit can reach $7,000 to $15,000. This factory demands strict control over oil quality, frying temperature, and shelf life. If you ignore consistency, customers will not buy a second time. If you are finding value so far, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps more than you think and lets us bring you deeper breakdowns on machine costs, production, and real-world profits. Number 4. Wet wipes production. Wet wipes have become a daily necessity for hygiene, cleaning, travel, childcare, and personal care. People rely on them for convenience and safety. This factory uses a converting machine that cuts and folds non-woven fabric into neat stacks, then applies a measured liquid formula before sealing the packs airtight. The solution can be baby-safe, cosmetic, antibacterial, or household grade, depending on use. Clean handling zones and humidity control keep the wipes contamination free. A compact production line generally costs $32,000 to $60,000. The production cost per pack stays close to 35 cents to 55 cents, while the selling price usually falls between $1.20 to $2.50. With repeat supply contracts, monthly profit often reaches $6,000 to $14,000. This factory requires discipline and hygiene control. Any contamination issue can shut down sales instantly and damage your brand permanently. Number 3. Liquid Detergent Factory. Every home, office, hotel, and cleaning service depends on liquid detergent to keep spaces clean and hygienic. Usage is constant, which makes this factory a reliable income source. The setup uses blending tanks with agitators that mix surfactants, stabilizers, fragrance, and purified water into a smooth formula. Materials are added in measured doses, pH is balanced, then the liquid is filtered to remove air before filling. Bottles move through filling, capping, and labeling with consistent accuracy. A small detergent setup usually costs $15,000 to $30,000. The cost to produce 1 liter stays around 60 cents to 90 cents, while the selling price ranges between $2 and $4 depending on concentration and packaging. With niche positioning, monthly profit can reach $5,000 to $12,000. This is one of the few factories where branding and formulation can double margins without changing the machine, but poor formulation will lead to refunds and lost clients. Number 2. Sanitary pad manufacturing. Sanitary pads are an essential hygiene product used monthly by millions of women, making demand consistent and dependable. This factory assembles multiple layers in one controlled line, including a non-woven top sheet, absorbent core with pulp and SAP, and a leak-proof back sheet. The machine shapes each pad, adds wings, applies adhesive strips, and seals everything for hygiene. Pads are then individually wrapped and packed automatically. A compact production line typically costs $45,000 to $75,000. The production cost per pad stays near 8 cents to 12 cents, while the selling price ranges from 25 cents to 45 cents. With regional distribution, monthly profit can reach $8,000 to $18,000. This factory demands extreme precision and quality control. Any defect in absorption or sealing destroys trust and can permanently kill the brand. Number 1. Corrugated Carton and Packaging Boxes Factory. Every product you order, store, or ship needs a box, from food delivery to online shopping, electronics, textiles, and household goods. That is why corrugated cartons are always in demand. This factory makes strong packaging boxes that protect products during transport. The process starts with corrugated sheets, either made in-house or purchased ready. These sheets go through a slitter scorer that cuts them to exact sizes. Next, a die cutting or flexo printing machine adds folding lines and branding. Finally, boxes are glued or stitched and bundled for delivery. The workflow is fast and flexible, perfect for custom orders. A small setup usually costs $20,000 to $45,000. The cost to produce one box stays around 25 cents to 40 cents, while the selling price ranges from 70 cents to $1.50 depending on size and printing. With regular business clients, monthly profit can reach $6,000 to $14,000. This business rewards speed and accuracy. Missed dimensions, weak glue, or late delivery will lose clients instantly in competitive B2B markets. These factories are not flashy, but they are powerful. They produce items people use every single day, in every home, in every city, all year long. From low setup costs to predictable demand and scalable profits, this is how real manufacturing wealth is built. If you want detailed breakdowns on any machine, including setup, raw materials, or expected monthly profit, drop your question in the comments. If you want more videos like this, covering costs, profits, and real-world use cases, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Comment down which factory you'd start tomorrow if capital wasn't the problem. I read every comment, and the most requested factory gets a full step-by-step breakdown next. Share this video with someone who's serious about building a low-risk business from home.